Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you our OEM replacement 7-inch mirror. In this case we used it to the backup camera, but it does have 3 more camera options. So first of all, we're going to show you, as you can see, it's a direct replacement, so it's not a clip-on. We remove the original mirror and put it in. Now most of our videos we show you our standard 4.3-inch mirror, so it has about this size for the screen. So when you put the car in reverse, you get a picture size of about 4.3 inch. When this one is a 7-inch, so we put the vehicle in reverse and we get a full screen on the whole mirror to see the back. Now we're going to put it back in drive. You're going to notice that it shows front camera. So this unit has an option for front camera. As soon as you transfer from reverse to front to drive, so the camera disappears after a few seconds. In this case, the customer did not need the front camera, and this system also has a side camera. So when you put a signal on, you will have one for the left, one for the right. Again, customer didn't choose. In this case, he only wanted to have the back camera, but you get everything on a big screen. Now you can see the quality of this mirror. Very clear picture when you don't use the camera. Very clear. That's main feature that we see differences between lower end mirrors and higher end mirrors. The glass, the actual quality, the actual brightness of the unit itself is much clearer. It looks like factory full glass. You can't even see where the screen starts, where the screen ends, and only when you put it in reverse you get an idea where the camera is. Again, you get a better quality on the mirror. For more electronics and other stuff, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.